Welcome to Kiran Study Hub. Please subscribe to my channel in the YouTube. Hello students, in this video let us study about the chapter Nationalism in Europe and let us focus on Unification of Britain. Before unification of Britain or before formation of United Kingdom, this whole region were ruled by four different kings. The one kingdom was England Kingdom, the people were English, and the second is Wales Kingdom, the people were Welsh, and the Scotland people, the Scottish people. The fourth region is Ireland region, ruled by a king, and the people were Irish. So there were four different regions with four different ethnic people ruled by four, different kings. The formation of UK or Britain was not all of a sudden or not because of a sudden revolution, but it was a long drawn process. It took many years for the unification of United Kingdom. And even before 18th century, there was no nation by the name Britain. And the whole region was divided into four sub-regions, and each region was inhabited by ethnic people. And there were four different regions and four different ethnic peoples, such as English people, Welsh, Scottish, and Irish people. And these ethnic groups had their own cultural and political traditions. And so, English nation of the England Kingdom made many regions of the world as colonies, and that is how there was a gradual increase in their power, wealth, and military. That is how they were able to extend their influence over other nations. And in 1688, the English Parliament seized power from the monarchy. From then on, the concept of nation state started. In 1707, Act of Union was signed between England and Scotland. That is how the Scotland was merged with England, and the name of the country changed to Great Britain. And then on, the England was able to impose its influence on Scotland. And slowly, the Scotland culture and political institution was systematically suppressed by the England, and the Catholic clans that inhabited the Scottish or the Scotland also suffered the terrible repression by the England people. And even the Scotland Highlanders were not allowed to speak their Gaelic language, and large numbers of the Scottish Highlanders were forcibly driven out of their homeland. And finally, the British Parliament was also dominated by its English members. Even Ireland suffered a similar problem. The whole Ireland was divided between Catholics and Protestants. The English helped the Protestants of Ireland and established their dominance over a Catholic Ireland country. The Catholics revolted against the British dominance, but were suppressed. And after the failed revolt led by Ulfton and the United Irishmen in 1798, Ireland was forcibly incorporated or forcibly merged into the United Kingdom in 1801. So in 1801, the Northern Ireland became part of Great Britain, and now the name of the country is United Kingdom. And finally, the new country's flag was Union Jack, and the national anthem was God Save Our Noble King. And finally, the English language was actually promoted, and the older nations just survived as the subordinate partners in this union. This slide shows you the map of different regions. When Scotland was merged with the England, now the name of the country was Great Britain, and we have one flag. And when Northern Ireland also was merged with the Great Britain in 1801, the new country called United Kingdom was formed with the new flag. The name of the flag is Union Jack. Finally, this slide shows you the map of United Kingdom with four regions: England, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. Thank you.